Isaiah has been running the vacuum back in the back bedroom longer than it usually takes me to do the whole house. So let's see what he's doing. Oh, this is precious. He's vacuuming the he's vacuuming up the cobwebs in a most unique way. He's doing it with the vacuum cleaner. I thought it was taking him quite a while to vacuum the bedroom. Actually, it's been taking him longer than it takes me, like I said, to do the whole mobile home. When I kitchen, it's part of his job, his chores, is keeping the cobwebs on the ceiling and the wall. That's one of his one-man jobs, as we call it. And so he's discovered he can use the vacuum cleaner. Okay. I don't know how you're going to get the cobwebs over here.
What do you mean?
You got clothes coming off of the bed. He's a genius, guys. And he tells us that he's brainless. Yeah, not brainless. He's genius. Total genius. If you let the kid have fun while he's cleaning, he makes it interesting. And two, makes it a lot less boring for me. So there, big guy.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, no. I just said, so there, big guy. What gave you the idea to use the vacuum to catch the cobwebs? Yeah. Just something you thought of?
Yeah. When I just got in my head, when I saw cobwebs of I just started sweeping them. I should use it when I should sweeping with that because it's more easier. It's more longer.
I'm going to tell you something, Isaiah. Your brilliance absolutely amazes me. You got to stop with that stuff saying you're brainless. Because you are.
I smashed my face.
I know, that thing pops off like that. But you are so brilliant. It works better if you have that extension on it. If that's what if you're wanting to run it across the ceiling.
No, not yet.
Okay. But your brilliance, Isaiah. You got to stop that telling me you're brainless. Cause,
do I just turn it on and...
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And it powers it up. It's amazing. Woo, yeah, I know. Have fun, babe. I love you. Hey, Isaiah. Isaiah.
Yeah?
You're in here. You're running. Oh, you're sucking up clothes. You're in here and you're excited. Yeah, there we go. But you're not singing your favorite vacuuming song. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. That's what you sing when you're vacuuming. Oh. Have fun, babe.
I am.
Yeah, guys. He's hilarious. And like I said, it's just taking him a little longer than it does me. Like usually when he's vacuuming, he gets so excited when he's doing it. He starts singing that Pointer Sister song and says, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. And it's hysterical. So, love the boy. Love him very much. He's pretty awesome. So, I'm going to let him rock on and vacuum. Love you guys. Bye.